Alright everyone, I'm Amod Mahajan and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we'll see LLM versus GPT. If you are a beginner in the AI world, then you must be hearing these two words and you might not be aware the difference between these two. So let's clarify them today. So LLM stands for Large Language Model and GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. I know the full form will not make sense, so let's understand more. But about the LLM, I have already covered in my previous video tutorial, and the link of that video you can find in the description. So I am sure you must have used some AI tools as of now like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, or Claude. There are many more. Basically, all these tools will accept one prompt from you and you'll get an answer for that query. But the mind behind all these AI tools is one, that is LLM. So now you might be thinking that same LLM is used in all AI tools. So that is not 100% incorrect statement, but what you can say, whatever brain is working behind these AI tools, the category of that brain is called LLM. So what I will say that LLM is the concept and GPT is the execution. If I want it to relate with a real time example, then I will say LLM is a car, which is just a concept. The implementation you will see Audi car or a BMW car or a Mercedes car. Those are real implementation. So now if we define LLM, we can say that LLM is a large AI model which is trained on massive text data to understand, predict and generate human-like language. And examples are GPT, Gemini, Claude and Llama. We have other LLMs as well, but these are major ones. So now you see the difference. We don't have only GPT. GPT is just the type of LLM. We have many more in the same category like Gemini, Claude, and Llama. So, GPT is a type of LLM, or GPT is a large language model which is developed and owned by OpenAI. It was launched in 2018 first time. We have some other LLMs as well like Gemini, which is developed by Google DeepMind, and the first release was done in 2023. Similarly, we have Llama, which is by Meta AI, and I think full form is Large Language Model by Meta AI. That was also released in 2023 first time. And then we have Claude by Anthropic, which is also released in 2023. So now you should see the difference clearly. So we can say all GPTs are LLM, but all the LLMs are not GPT. Now I'm going to show you some AI tools which are powered by GPT, which is a type of LLM. So first example, ChatGPT. I am sure you must have used this AI tool. Even this is my favorite personal AI tool. ChatGPT you can use for conversational AI for answering questions, content creation and coding help. Then we have GitHub Copilot which is also powered by GPT. So if you are a developer or tester, then GitHub Copilot is very useful for you because it can generate the code for you, it can explain the code. In fact, it can do a lot of things. Then we have Microsoft Copilot, which is different from GitHub Copilot. This Microsoft Copilot is basically you'll find in Office 365 with the Word and Excel. So Microsoft Copilot is a smart AI assistant for the Microsoft apps like documents, emails, and data. Then we have Jasper AI, which is also powered by GPT. And this AI tool can be used for marketing and content generation for blogs, ads, and copywriting. Then we have another AI tool, Notion AI, which you can use to write, summarize, and brainstorming assistant inside the Notion workspace. So now the difference should be very clear to you. We have LLM, GPT is type, Claude is one of LLM, Gemini is also one of LLM, and these implementation can be used by multiple AI tools. I hope this helps you. Thank you everyone.